Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at Deepseek AI versus OpenAI. The reason for this video, as you can see on the screen, Deepseek AI wipes out $1.5 trillion wealth from US tech companies in one day. So question is Deepseek AI that good? The other thing that, this raises a big question, a company that is spent $6 million to produce DeepSeek AI. It's a Chinese company called Highflyer versus OpenAI, which was produced with billions of dollars investment. Now, the advantage that DeepSeek had or Highflyer had, they already had those other models like OpenAI, GPT model, the Facebook Llama, Anthropic, and Google Gemini. So all those models were available. They were able to take advantage of some of those models. Now they made it a $6 million investment and came up with an amazing model that performs better than OpenAI, or that's what they claim. But for me, is like if a technology company can wipe out $1.5 trillion asset from these tech companies, is the technology really helping? But that's besides the point. Um, so I hope you will learn something from this video, and at the end of the video, you will make an assessment whether you should be using DeepSeek AI or OpenAI going forward, or both. You can see from this headline, DeepSeek rattles tech stocks, raises question about AI dominance in the US. Probably many people did not even know what DeepSeek is, but in the last 24 hours, today is January 27, 2025, it has totally rattled the US stock market, plunging many of the tech stocks. If you want to take a look at my screen here, you can see every single tech stocks are down big time here. For example, Nvidia this morning is down about 11%. So ASML, where is it? ASML is down about 10%. So is Broadcom. So every stocks has been tumbling down. Only reason is this news here that DeepSeek AI, which has become a number one app in the Apple App Store during the weekend, and the claim is that DeepSeek AI is much more efficient. And so let's see what it is. So I'm just going to take a look at this video that was put out in Bloomberg, what it is. So let's play this.
I did, yes. And
So what did you know about them 2 days ago?
that it is a competitor in the LLM space. They've been training their own model,
Right.
and it's used mostly in the East Asian region.
Okay, what I learned, thank you Zero Hedge for this, from Morgan Brown at Dropbox, is basically they've said we're not going to be as perfect, as pristine as the others, out to 32 decimal points. We're just going to get it done out to 0.0000008 decimal points. Is that what this is all about? Is they're not going to be perfect?
I think there's more to it than just, using the fewer floating point operations than OpenAI and Anthropic and others. And look, in this case, they basically focused on hardware efficiency. Using the hardware in the most efficient fashion. They had the benefit of all these LLMs being out there. They use Meta Llama as a reference point. It's another open source model. And they figured out a way to do this most efficiently than everyone else. I mean, everyone is focused on scale right now. They focused on hardware efficiency.
Paul, the llama at Meta, at Facebook, is the grandson of the original llama on Saturday Night Live.
Oh, there you go. All right, very good. Mandeep, you've got an analyst, Bloomberg Intelligence, in Hong Kong, Robert Lia. I'm reading his research literally as we speak. And for folks on the Bloomberg terminal, go to BI Go and check out, if you need to figure out what's going on with DeepSeek and what China's doing with AI, Bloomberg Intelligence has got the data and the research there. Can China support a real competitive AI environment? It seems like their government is more restricting some of the technology there.
Well, so now we know the export.
So here you can see they're talking about the DeepSeek AI. Some of the news this morning here, you can see DeepSeek rattles tech stocks, Chinese startups rise against OpenAI challenges US AI lead. And then here I tried this cheap open source ChatGPT competitor and I am blown away talking about DeepSeek AI. And what else is here? So there are some few other news that is going on. So I wanted to take a few moments to sort of talk about what is DeepSeek AI, how is it compared to OpenAI versus like some of the other AI model that is out there. So with that, let's get into it. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two major players in the AI landscape, DeepSeek AI and OpenAI. Let's see how these cutting-edge technologies stack up. First, let's take a look at the two platforms. DeepSeek AI is an emerging AI platform focused on specific domains like enterprise search, advanced decision making, and customizable AI models for businesses. On the other hand, OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, is a well-established name in the AI world, specializing in general-purpose AI with applications ranging from conversational agents to creative tools and coding assistants. DeepSeek AI is designed for organizations that need tailored AI solutions, like advanced data retrieval or hyper-personalized business processes. It emphasizes domain-specific optimization and often integrates with existing enterprise systems. Meanwhile, OpenAI shines in versatility and accessibility. With models like GPT, Codex, and DALL-E, OpenAI caters to a broader audience, from individuals, creators to developers and large corporations. OpenAI's main focus is creating AI that is easy to integrate across multiple use cases, such as creative writing, software development, and even. Here's where things get interesting: customization versus generalization. DeepSeek AI is designed to dive deep into niche use cases. For example, businesses can fine-tune its models to excel in specific industries like finance, legal, or healthcare. OpenAI, however, provides a more generalized approach, offering powerful pre-trained models that can adapt to many situations without needing significant customization. DeepSeek AI, think about it, tailored AI for businesses versus OpenAI, general purpose AI. Pricing and accessibility. Now let's talk about pricing and accessibility. DeepSeek AI typically targets enterprise customers with pricing models often based on contracts or subscriptions tailored to large-scale usage. This may make it less accessible for smaller businesses or individuals. OpenAI, by contrast, offers flexible pricing tiers, including pay-as-you-go plans and affordable subscriptions, which cater to individual developers, startups, and enterprise alike. Both platforms are highly committed to ethical AI, but their approach differ. DeepSeek AI often emphasizes data privacy and secure integration, making it a strong contender for industries like healthcare and finance that prioritize compliance. OpenAI, however, focuses on developing AI aligned with human values and ensures safety in its broad applications. It is transparent about its usage policies, making it more approachable for everyday users. User experience and support. In terms of user experience, Deepseek AI often requires a bit more technical expertise to fully integrate and customize its tools. This makes it a bit better fit for businesses. This makes it better fit for businesses with in-house technical teams. OpenAI, on the other hand, prides itself on simplicity. Its APIs and platforms like ChatGPT are user-friendly and accessible to both developers and non-tech savvy users. So the final verdict. So which one is right for you? If you are a business looking for highly customized AI solutions for a specific industry or application, Deepseek AI might be the perfect fit. But if you are looking for versatility, ease of use, and a platform that adapts to a wide range of creative, the cost for DeepSeek versus OpenAI, what does it cost? Now, this is the article in the website, where you can see free DeepSeek versus $20 a month OpenAI. DeepSeek R1 basically replaces GPT-o1 for free, right? So this gentleman does a nice job. If you look at OpenAI, charges you $20 a month. Compared to that, DeepSeek, you just sign up with your Gmail and then no credit card needed, and you can start using it. Now, the API pricing is where they make the differentiation, make money. DeepSeek AI's API is 27 times cheaper than ChatGPT. So if you're paying $270 for ChatGPT, you'd be spending $10 for the same workload with DeepSeek AI. It's very interesting. The whole premise of AI, that it is a highly resource intensive, and that's where DeepSeek has made a huge impact in here. They have focused on hardware optimization. Hopefully, that's why NVIDIA and the rest of the other tech stocks are dropping, because the ones thought of that NVIDIA's power hungry chips that are needed, GPUs, to run AI models may not be necessarily true. It's not completely going away, but it's not going to be needing as powerful of a processing than it was anticipated. So cost perspective, DeepSeek is much cheaper compared to OpenAI. Well, there's a lot to happen. It's a fast moving world. We have to watch how this shapes out in the future, because whenever we're dealing with a Chinese AI company versus US company, there is the huge geopolitical cloud on top of it. So we'll see what happens, how this price war shapes out, how the technology evolves in the future. Well, there you have it. A comparison between DeepSeek AI and OpenAI. Obviously, there are different use cases for each of these. If you are working with a pretty niche area, potentially DeepSeek AI may be a better solution. But if you are looking for a general AI solution, OpenAI is probably better. What's your perspective on this? I'd like to hear your opinion. Leave your comment below. And if you like the video, found something helpful, uh, make sure to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.